Language is a fascinating world of words. Some we use every day, while others remain hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Today, let's embark on a journey through 10 unique and uncommon words that can add depth and color to our vocabulary. Have you ever heard of absquatulate? Or perhaps experienced apricity on a chilly morning? Maybe you know someone with sesquipedalian way of speaking. Well, by the end of this video, you'll not only know these words, but also how to use them like a pro. Get ready to explore the world of language as we dive into these extraordinary words one by one. Number 1. Absquatulate. To leave suddenly or secretly. To flee. For example, the thief managed to absquatulate before the police arrived. Number 2. Sesquipedalian. A person who uses long words, characterized by long words. For example, the professor's sesquipedalian lecture left the students confused. Number 3. Defenestration. The act of throwing someone or something out of a window. For example, the medieval king ordered defenestration of his traitorous advisor. Number 4. Peregrinate. To travel or wander from place to place. For example, after retiring, she decided to peregrinate across Europe. Number 5. Pulchritudinous, having a great physical beauty or appeal. For example, the actress is not only talented but also pulchritudinous. Number 6. Limerence, the state of being infatuated or obsessed with another person. For example, his limerence for her was so strong that he thought about her all the time. Number 7. Insouciant, showing a casual lack of concern. Indifferent. For example, despite a looming deadline, he remained insouciant and relaxed. Number 8. Cacophony, a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. For example, the cacophony of honking horns filled the busy city street. Number 9. Apricity, the warmth of the sun in the winter. For example, she enjoyed the apricity as she sipped her coffee on a balcony. Number 10. Mellifluous, pleasantly smooth or musical to hear. For example, her mellifluous voice made the song even more beautiful. And there you have it, 10 fascinating words that can expand your vocabulary, whether you use them in conversation or just impress your friends. Words like defenestration or mellifluous can make language even more exciting. That's all. Thank you.